Hi, I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and here's a question every pressure washing business should think about. What happens if your water stream is a little too strong? One wrong angle can damage siding, strip paint, break windows, and injure a client. And that's exactly why pressure washing insurance is so important. Let's break down the coverages that matter the most. General liability. This is your first line of defense. If your pressure washer etches concrete, damages siding, floods a basement, or someone slips near your work area, liability coverage protects against the cost of repairs, medical expenses, and legal fees. Equipment coverage. Your pressure washer, hoses, surface cleaners, and chemical sprayers are expensive. If they are damaged, stolen, or break during a job, this coverage helps you replace them quickly. Commercial auto. You're constantly driving between job sites with equipment and chemicals. Personal auto won't cover that. Commercial auto protects you during business use. Workers' comp. If you have employees, injuries from slips, chemical exposures, or equipment handling are common. Workers' comp covers medical bills and lost wages. Optional coverage, pollution liability. This is important for pressure washing. If chemicals or wastewater causes environmental damage or contaminates a property, pollution liability coverage provides for cleanup and related claims. So what determines your insurance costs? Well, your services, residential versus commercial, whether you use chemicals, your equipment type, business size, and your claims history. At the end of the day, pressure washing insurance keeps your business safe from the unexpected, so you can focus on delivering clean, professional results. Visit contractorsliability.com or call the number on your screen for your free customized quote today. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more contractors insurance tips, and tap the bell so you never miss out on a new video. Thanks for watching.